she wasn't looking at y'all.
All right, we're gonna do a video with. We're gonna have the one chip challenge, and we're gonna have the one chocolate challenge with Marcus doing the one chip, and Sean's gonna be doing the one chocolate. So they've got 5 minutes after they eat to see if they can wait and not eat no ice cream, no milk, no water, nothing. So let's turn this around. Okay, here's Marcus. Marcus, show him the paquet chip. Open the box. Okay, show him what it looks like. Okay, that's the little packet with the chip. Okay, Sean. Show them he's got the box with the chocolate. Show him how the chocolate looks.
Why you laughing at me? I gotta get.
I found on the floor.
Okay, this is the one little chocolate he's got to eat and wait 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, Marcus already got his gloves on, and we're waiting on Sean to get a pair of gloves on.
I got the timer set for 5 minutes.
Sean's already got his safety goggles for safety first.
I got the timer set for 5 minutes.
Okay, and then Sean, go ahead and get your chocolate in your hand. Okay, when I say go, y'all open your packet. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Open your pack.
She'll start it after then.
But that's not a pack. That's a open it.
Okay, don't touch it yet.
Well, y'all got it.
Ooh.
Smell it. Smell it. Go ahead, smell. Okay, go ahead. You ready?
Wait, I gotta eat the whole thing?
Yep. Ready?
Hold on. Wait.
Oh, God.
I'm
1,
getting scared. I'm getting
2,
scared. Don't. All right.
3.
Why is the chip black?
Timer. Okay, set the timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, you're set.
Oh.
Y'all gotta chew it up and swallow it, and then I'll push start on the timer.
It's burning.
Too faster!
Chew, swallow! Swallow!
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm gonna
Just
set the
swallow.
timer.
Why y'all turning red?
Alright, the timer's going. The timer's going. The timer's going.
Marcus don't even know how to laugh now.
You're at 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Are you not?
Marcus, why you crying? He's getting hot. He's getting hot.
Daddy, one piece on your
Like
arm.
4 minutes. Wait,
Marcus,
where's the
pass
camera?
out.
Daddy, one piece.
Oh God, y'all still got another 4 minutes. Y'all still got 4 minutes.
Wow.
Oh no! You should have drunk the milk, dude.
Try to hold out, Sean.
That water.
Daddy, you got it. You got 3 minutes.
Hold out, Sean. Marcus!
Give me You need to take it over there.
Hey, eat your ice cream, Marcus.
Daddy, are you okay? F.L. Record Daddy. F.L. record Daddy.
It's making my stomach upset. I told you.
You still got this much time left.
You got milk
Oh
on.
God.
Well, ice cream.
Hold out, Sean.
You still got 2 minutes left.
Then 1 minute.
Are you okay, Daddy?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Daddy's doing it. Do Daddy. Daddy's doing it. He's doing it.
You
I'm
got 1
about to
minute.
pass out.
Then 9.
For real.
Your glasses are fogged up in the corners. You sure you ain't gonna drink nothing?
No, not yet.
You got it?
I've already been this far.
You got 2 minutes
Stop
and
now,
25
right now.
seconds.
Oh, man.
Marcus still drinking water. Marcus is still
You gonna drink the whole 6 water?
Marcus, milk is better. That's why ice cream's better.
Go get the ice cream, Mark.
Yeah, drink some milk. Ice cream or milk.
Get you some ice cream.
It's set.
My nose is running though.
You need
Give him
tissue?
Yeah.
tissue.
What tissue at?
Right here.
I can't hardly catch my breath.
It says you lost some speech.
Right, still climbing.
Lily, come
Where
here.
at now, Val?
Right there.
There's one there.
Oh. Well, then you have to get in there and roll out of the closet.
Where's dog?
Now, kid.
It's in the closet.
Right here. Yeah.
I just got a toilet paper instead.
Hey, Lily,
He's there right there.
Lily, come here.
It'll be alright.
Lily,
Daddy,
Oh man, I should have done that.
Probably made it.
Alright, you got a minute and 28 seconds.
Okay, Lily, I'm going here.
You're doing it, Sean. You got another minute.
He's crying. He's crying.
I'm still drinking water.
Wow.
You look like a superstar. With your hand up.
Hey, baby.
Even that exists.
Alright, you got 1 minute.
The boogie's coming.
Marcus, you Mexican and you can't even do it.
Yeah, I'm half Mexican.
It don't matter.
Oh, half Mexican.
Oh, my mouth is so. Oh, it hurts so bad.
24.
My mouth hurts so bad right
How
now.
much longer he got?
He got 38 seconds.
Oh, get ready with something, Mark. Sean, go ahead and get you some water or something ready when you can drink.
Eat ice cream.
got
Eat ice
this
cream.
I gotta go with the water first.
Water?
No, milk.
Oh, that'll make it hotter.
Yeah,
Milk
drink the
first.
milk. Drink that little bit of milk. You gotta wait. Almost.
Honey.
18, 17. Count down when you get to 10.
Alright, 10,
He fell asleep.
9,
Start.
8, 7.
5,
Four,
4,
three,
3, 2,
2,
1.
Yay.
Let's spill the whole thing on you.
Maybe.
Be out. We're good. Marcus fell over there. Marcus got not even a couple seconds in. What did he eat?
A pickle.
Look at his nose. Look at his nose.
Now the water is working. Try the ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice
Oh,
cream.
you two for him.
Oh my God, look how bad I'm shaking.
You still got your gloves on.
I don't care.
Can you get him some
what?
some meat?
Back up.
It's too hot.
I'm not leaving until about 4:30.
You want to lay him down in the room?
I'll lay him down. You might end up having to lay there for a minute when you actually lay.
I think you're just spreading it.
He's a fat anyway. He likes girls.
Hey, Dada one.
Well, my stomach is burning too. I can feel all the way to my stomach.
Marcus, are you okay?
Give it back to Jarrell.
Is your hot? Hey. Marcus, you have any cheese? That'll help.
He said I ate cheese, I ate pickles.
I want to be on camera.
Your mom said, no sir.
Mommy, you don't want
Your ears burning, Mark.
Yeah, let him have it. It's okay.
Your butter,
to
Sean?
finish.
It's okay.
No, I think I'm gonna get sick.
Mommy, you don't let me choose.
He's watching it by himself.
It got hotter
Leave him alone!
Man,
in here. It got hotter.
not going.
What did we just say? Bring it here to me. Bring it here to me.
You might need some fresh air, son.
Bring it.
Okay, people, that's the end of our challenge. I think we've hurt them bad enough. We're going to let them take a break. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe and post and give us comments. Thank you.